In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop ClickUp app notifications on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you are receiving a lot of alerts from ClickUp app and you'd like to put them off, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and access the app info page. To do that, go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, mine is here. If you can't find it, you can use this search bar to search for your app. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it and you land on app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and go to your app. And once you find your app, just long press on it. And now here you should see app info, tap on it. And this will take you to the same app info page. At this point, go to the permissions section and under it look for notifications. Currently you can see all these type of notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications or alerts. To turn them off, instead of turning one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off show notifications button here, and it will switch off all the other types of notifications. From now, you'll never receive any notifications unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can do it by following these steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.